so realistic.
I don't know what went wrong, Thomas. I followed schematics and used lots of screws, bolts, and nuts.
Nom nom sorry.
Maybe you used too many nuts. Thomas then made a robot.
Dude, I see that. Wow, it's like a real-life video game.
I'm a cat, not cat food.
This is totally cool. My tent! No, that is not cool!
Ooh, tumbleweed. For the love of feeling, cat, do something.
Hey, I need that controller.
Tom? Isn't that your car?
Yep, and I just washed it. You realize this is all your fault.
Me? You're the one who named it self-aware.
Phew, so what's the idea, dudes? Why did you make a hunger-crazed robot?
I wanted to solve the world's ever-mounting trash and garbage problem. Then it will eat my broccoli for me?
There. This is now an electromagnetic pulse generator.
You're going to wipe our robot out?
No! We're going to invite it over for pizza and braid its wires.
You can't just destroy it. We can't wipe something out just because we don't understand it. We must learn to embrace our differences. Sure, it squishes things, eats my car. But maybe, just maybe, all it needs a little love. Right, robot? Me and Gina love you, robot. Ginger! Okay, we have to destroy it.
It might not work.
Hey, robot! Nom nom this! Ginger!
Oh, thank Tesla! You're okay!
That was awesome! Again! Again!
Yeah! Excellent! Oh, yeah! Yes!